I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag. Horse stock is a tag.
近未来の移動革命の実現には、日本の宇宙開発の中で大きな役割を果たしてきた NEC の技術が欠かせません。
So we're checking out. This is a taxi. What is this? It's a drone.
This is our prototype of unmanned air mobility.
Air mobility.
Unmanned air mobility.
Let's go around here. 1 second, sorry. This is one passenger.
Yeah.
It's working?
No, unmanned. No,
Unmanned.
Yeah, unmanned.
So what do you put inside? Battery?
Yeah, and transportation of goods.
Goods.
Good.
No chance this can be for a small man?
No,
No?
no.
But you planning to do or no?
Yeah, no.
No. All right. So it's what's the range? How far it can go?
In August, we succeeded in 3 meter
Yeah. In 3 meter?
3 meter autonomous flight.
3
3 meter, only 3 meter.
3 meter, yeah.
Yeah,
But you need to get to 3 kilometers, right? How much it will? How far it can go?
maybe 10 or 20 meter.
10 or 20 meters.
Yeah, potential is
Potentially. Meter or kilometer?
meter.
Meter. But why not kilometer?
That's this is a prototype.
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 Okay. All right. Sorry. Cool. Let's walk around for 1 second here. So, NEC is what did you say here? 150 kilometers.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you stand there? Yeah. 150 kilo
Kilograms.
monocoque frame. Let's walk around. Can you explain a little bit what you're showing here at Seatec? There's a lot of things about the smart city.
Yeah. Smart.
Yeah.
Oh, which one?
Hi. So hi. So
Yeah.
what are you showing here at the booth also?
Oh, we're showing the 5G and confirm the face ID.
Let's go close to this.
Oh, closer.
Yeah. So what is this machine right here?
Oh, this is the face ID.
So this is a real machine. It's deployed right now. So you have my face. And then this is being used right now for the
Yes, the Rugby World Cup.
Rugby World
Yeah,
Cup.
2019.
So that means in front of the stadium, people get scanned or to get in?
Yes, exactly right. At the media, rated media, yeah, press.
The press. To
Press
check it's real
engineers.
press.
Oh, no,
Recognizing their face.
Oh, let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay. All right. Hey, that's me.
OK。あ、スイッチははい。
Okay. Now I'm registered.
Your ID.
This will be your ID. You touch.
And it says
you can
go. Cool. All right. So this is deployed.
Rugby World Cup. The entrance. Media だけなんです。
Yeah. So around here you have this is another face detection.
Yes, exactly right.
Yeah.
Example, there's a 40 years ago picture, and you can know the same person.
14 years.
Yeah, since 14 years ago, the picture of you,
Yeah.
and now my face, and they can know it's the same person.
And this is 5G.
Yeah, 5G. 5G.
There's a lot of 5G technologies going on here. This is also 5G right here with some other face detections. Cool. Let me go this way. Sorry. Yeah. Doing something to do with a smart city.
Yeah, smart city. This will be using major Jamaica city.
Nice. So this can detect how many people in a city?
これ何人いるかわかるってことです
そうです
かね。Yes,
何人
exactly
How
right.
many people
あと
and
You
密
can
度
know.
何人ぐらいとかって方向がわかります。
You can know the way they go,
Nice.
right or left or straight.
Cool. And then this is where you have the show talking about NEC technology being deployed.
Yes, exactly right. This will tell you this booth.
Nice.
Yeah. This show will tell you this booth will do what kind of technology NEC for the future, like kind of
Drone
and kind of
everything.
5G
Nice.
and Face ID.
Cool.
This show will tell you.
Nice.